Hello and welcome to Zootastic. I'm Mark and I'm absolutely thrilled to take you on another journey into the fascinating world of our amazing animal residents today. And today we're mentally traveling to the dry savannas and grasslands of South America, or rather, we're visiting a true master of defense right here at the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany. Hold on tight, it's going to be armored, it's going to be rolling, and definitely a walking safe. We're talking about the southern three-banded armadillo. With its thick shell and the unique ability to curl perfectly into a ball, it is a real natural weapon and an absolute survival artist. But what exactly makes this little mammal so unique and its strategy so special? So let's take a closer look. The southern three-banded armadillo is one of the most fascinating armadillos. It is relatively small, reaching a body length of about 25 to 30 centimeters, that's 12 to 10 inches. And its most striking feature is its three-part movable shell. This armor consists of bony plates covered with horny scales, protecting its head, back and tail. The shell is divided into three main sections, which give it the necessary flexibility. The color of the shell is usually brown-gray. Its legs are short and strong, ending in sharp claws that help it with digging, although it doesn't dig as much as other armadillos. Instead of digging burrows, it prefers to use those made by other animals or just rest in thick vegetation. And these fascinating mammals come from the grasslands and dry regions of Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay and Argentina. They prefer open landscapes such as savannas and steppes. They are crepuscular, that means active at dawn and dusk, and spend the hottest hours of the day in their self-dug holes or under protective bushes. And they are often solitary and roam their territory in search of food. Here in the zoo, we have a male and a female, but they are usually separated. Imagine these small armored creatures scurrying through the grass. That's an unforgettable sight that reflects the robustness of the South American steppe. But what makes its defense strategy so incomparable? This is one of the most fascinating characteristics of the southern three-banded armadillo. When it feels threatened, it rolls up lightning fast into a perfect, almost impenetrable ball. No other armadillo species in the world can do this to such perfection. In doing so, the head and tail plates fit exactly into the gap left by the main shell, forming a thick, closed fortress. And the shell is so hard that even predators like jaguars or pumas can hardly crack it. And this unique ability gives it a huge advantage over predators that rely on quick bites. It simply waits out the danger, completely enclosed in its armor. And a truly super interesting fact about the southern three-banded armadillo is its diet. It's an omnivore, but it has a particular preference for insects, especially ants and termites. It uses its sharp claws to break open insect mounds and its long sticky tongue to quickly gather the prey. Interestingly, it also plays an important role in seed dispersal because it occasionally eats fruit, which is then spread around the habitat. And this behavior makes it an important member of the ecological community, helping to maintain plant diversity in its home. It is also the only armadillo that once rolled up no longer flees but simply waits for the danger to pass. The southern three-banded armadillo is classified as near threatened on the IUCN Red List, that's the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The main threats are the loss of habitat due to agricultural expansion, hunting for meat, and the illegal pet trade. Its unique appearance makes it sought after but protected as an animal. The preservation of its habitat is crucial for its survival. In Brazil, where it's known as Tatu Bola, it was even chosen as the mascot for the 2014 FIFA World Cup, raising global awareness for its conservation status, but more action is still needed on the ground. And zoological gardens like the Allwetterzoo Muenster offer us the opportunity to experience these impressive animals up close. And they participate in conservation efforts and help educate the public about the unique biodiversity of South America and the importance of protective measures. In the zoo, you can observe the armadillos in a naturalistic enclosure. Since they are crepuscular, you often need a little patience, but with luck you will see them scurrying around in search of insects. and it's really fun to see them. I mean, it was quite hard to film them because one of them is like an armadillo on speed. I mean, you saw that in the video, and they are both real fun. But that's already it for today on Zootastic from the Allwetter Zoo Muenster in Germany, and I hope you enjoyed this little dive into the life of the southern three-banded armadillo. And I look forward to welcoming you again next time when we talk about another exciting animal.